Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So this is Birchbox Feb Valentines box, and I'm just going to go through the products that was inside one by one. So inside, what you'll see first is like a little leaflet. It will just tell you information of what's inside the box. So first up we have Revolution Pro Radiant Peach Correcting Primer. This is a full size one and it's worth £7. And this brand here is number 4 and it's the blow dry lotion. Obviously you dry it into the hair with the hair dryer, and this is worth £26, the full size. So this one here is just a travel size one, just to try it out, and it's meant to dry your hair up to 50 times faster as well. So this works Morning Expert Hyaluronic Serum. The full size would be £37, but obviously this is a travel size which will come in handy. It's meant to brighten, firm and tighten and smooth your complexion. And this product here is Bodyography Timber Lip Pencil, and this is a full size one and it is worth £12. So this brand here is KNDR. I'm not sure how you pronounce it, if it's individual words or whatever, but it is a positively pink mood balm. At first I thought this was a lipstick, but it's not. It's a tinting balm, and as you can see here. So that's all for this month's box, guys. I hope you all enjoyed it, and I'll see you on my next one. See ya.